Good evening from Columbus, Ohio. On my way out of the heart, I finally got to stop at Flower Child in Columbus. It's been 2 years I've been wanting to come here, but the timing has never worked out. So I have an hour to experience what I think is going to be a very grand experience. Let's go. I have heard so much about this place. I have a feeling I'm really gonna like this. Oh my God. I do like this. I like this a lot. There's actually nothing I don't like. Now, let's see. $49 for the 2 Italian planters. Those are fantastic. Now, I have a feeling, oh my gosh, I love the lollipop they made. This is more a place that I might find something special for myself more so than resale. But I'm not complaining. Look at the lollipops. They're so great. The freaking hanging ball chair. Holy cow. Look at these wall arts. These are so fun. I like the Gucci chocolate bar and the Louis Vuitton Tic Tacs. How cool. Nice Italian pottery. The tulip set. The fish tank TV. Freaking epic. Oh gosh, I just walked right into something. And the enamel over copper. That's a pretty one. Yeah, this is freaking epic. I love this side table, $289. That's really decent actually, because you never see these and the condition is great. Space age. Holy cow, look at the mushroom lamp. I already know that the clothing situation is out of control here. Oh my gosh. This place is decked the freak out. Look at this. Is this German? That is so great. Oh, I love the color coordination too. This is a neat piece. What is this? Yeah, I don't even know where to begin. Wow. All right, well, there's a lot of places in this video where the music is jumping a little too high, so I had to utilize some voiceovers, which I don't normally do, but I didn't want to cut it out because the way this place is displayed is pretty extraordinary. I love that Formica table. Giant salt and pepper shakers. The Max and Irma sign is pretty neat too. I've been like really into the graphics on a lot of advertising recently. Not that I haven't in the past, just more so than usual. Yeah, this place just keeps on going. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Oh, I'm looking at this bucket. I'm really into this bucket. This place kind of reminded me of Sweet Lorraine's in Cleveland. And if I'm not mistaken, they actually have a second location in Cleveland, which I have not yet been to. I don't get out that way much often. Oh man, I'm obsessed with this piece of furniture. Look, the lime green knobs on it kind of make it. They had the best mid-century furniture you could buy for sure. That is very strange. I was trying to figure out what kind of animal that is. Little Napkaware mermaid cup. $16 seems kind of cheap for that actually. It's not the most desirable mermaid, but still a lot of them go high. Now this is crazy. I never see these flocked long neck cats, And I thought it said $15, and then I realized it said dealer 15. It was $89. That's kind of wild. I have no idea, but I have a pair of them in my cat sale coming up. Really into this crazy lamp thing. I'm not really sure. I guess it's like a hanging swag lamp. I had one kind of like it that was from a church that had this amazing stained glass on it. And this is kind of a wild piece of pottery too. Looks kind of Italian. I think is it supposed to be a pelican? Some cute little Danish candle holders there. I don't usually see those colors. They had a lot of really unique mid-century, as you can see. Armadillo. They also had the best selection of vintage furs and party dresses. Two things I definitely don't need in my life. Another fun display. I was really into this bowl. Kind of clam-like. More kitchenware stuff. You know I'm a sucker for anything color coordinated. And then over here in this case, the first thing I saw, noticed was that Peter Max tray down here. This case had so many like eclectic things that I'm into. The Danish, the Murano, Bakelite. All kinds of fun stuff. The Peter Max tray is neat too. I don't know what I was talking about here, but I was sleep deprived and very hungry when it happened, so I'm sure not missing much. Nice Higgins purple tray up there, and I love the old new stock matches with the pinup girl on it. Nice old Howard. Bunch of nice vanity stuff. I thought it was funny how they mixed in the cake toppers with the vanity stuff. That's like how it is at my apartment. Love the poodle lamp. Check out this sand carved bunny rabbit egg paperweight. That's really neat. Arthur Court. The lucite. That's fun. $8 on that one. I think I'm gonna pick this up. I love the glitter and the different stones. Maybe I will get a basket. Now here, I'm obsessed with these crazy Hollywood Regency lamps. Some might think they're ugly. I think they're cool. They had a lot of really big Blinko pieces. I thought the amber grapes swag lamp was really fun. And they also had the Blinko penguin, which is not easy to find. Very cool. And I love this display with all the tropical stuff and Miss Dainty. Yeah, that hanging pottery pot is pretty neat. I wish I was a little bit better on ladders. I would totally have things hanging from my ceilings. My ceilings are super high. I'm obsessed with the French pottery piece. I've bought and sold those in the past, but I refuse to ship them. Here I am playing with some roller skates. Those are freaking awesome. Metal enamel brooches. Now this is like the best thing ever. I love that little hand-painted pin, but look at the Bakelite. Does that say $45? Crazy, crazy Potosi. Holy cow. Look at that dot vase. Oh my gosh. And the Platnik. Alright, well I picked out a couple bracelets that feel like they might have been too good to be true, but I guess I'll find out. I'm willing to gamble with it. They're amazing, so much vintage clothing here. And then ice bucket section. Holy smokes. Oh my god. This space age dresser. I'm guessing 3,200. That's my educated guess. We're gonna find out though. 2,800. Wasn't far. I think that's actually a really good price on that. That's amazing. Space age furniture is like impossible to find. can count on one hand the amount of pieces I've ever even seen in real life. It's amazing, and the condition was pretty good. Whew. This is kind of unreal. Look at this metal sculpture. Oh my gosh, they got so much space age stuff. Although that dresser is definitely the best thing I've seen yet. Oh my god, there's another one. Oh, this is amazing. Tall dresser, 1800? What? Dude, do you deliver to freaking Gettysburg? I just realized that I've been talking to myself this entire time with.
And then here you got the blue section.
On. Oh, this is cool. This looks
it's
like
amazing how much Italian pottery lives in Ohio. Really nice Potosi ashtray.
This looks
At least it looks like Potosi.
Gosh,
it might not be
help
Potosi.
me.
There's another
no,
artist.
It's Jonathan Adler. Jonathan Adler.
Now, Jonathan Adler is a really neat designer. I love a lot of their contemporary stuff, even though it's so expensive. I actually really want to get a Jonathan Adler cloud sofa.
Table sculpture,
but they're like thousands of dollars, and I don't know how practical
And then over here, they have another space age dresser. I want
to be honest.
So bad.
The space age furniture.
$1,800.
So cool.
Seems not unreasonable.
And I felt like the price on it was actually pretty reasonable for what it is.
Pennsylvania.
I've only seen it like two times. Once was at auction and it went crazy, and there was like a 28% premium on top of it. And then another time was on Marketplace, and it was like so expensive.
I see.
Almost double that
looks
tag.
To be a big. Is it amber or tangerine? I think it's actually amber, and it's just a light. No, that's like
not what I'm looking at here. Maybe I'm wondering.
It's actually like kind of a purple color. Look at the orange lamp. That thing's wild too, and I love that.
The orange pottery lamp is really neat too.
Oh my god.
I think I'm like more so daydreaming.
Look at this.
About making interior rooms. It would be so much fun to have like endless funds and endless space to decorate with this kind of stuff, play around with the furniture.
The mosaics.
And I love these religious mosaic
desk
pieces.
Chairs
Those
are awesome.
Really unique.
This is freaking rad too. I love those Italian urns. The way they've displayed everything though makes me crazy. It makes me want it more than I would normally. I feel like this yellow ashtray is amazing. That looks like Potosi. It says Potosi, $125. That actually is. Well, it seems really reasonable. I heard all these things about how overpriced it was, and I just don't think that's true. You just don't see this stuff. And when you do see it, you see it online in worse condition for more money, as long as you ask me.
Crushed red velvet chair, always fun. And I was kind of hoping to find something epic in the wall art section here. Now this lamp, oh my gosh. That thing is so awesome. If it had been missing a digit, it would have been riding shotgun on the way back to Pennsylvania with me. The lighting in here is absolute perfection. Oh, that's a neat kind of Art Deco style set. Yeah, so many unique pieces. This tiki moment over here is everything, too. And that's a neat one. That looks German.
Look at the little daffodil candle holder. That's so cute. And the cruel, but it's actually that tone angel up there that I love so much. I love finding those. They're kind of hard to find, and when you do, they're usually beat to heck. That material did not hold up well over time. Tennis ball perfume bottle. That's Avon Fire. Big burger. Oh my gosh. Upstairs, no. Yeah, the furniture here is awesome. The clothes are amazing. You know me, I'm more so into the smalls and gadgets. Nice bohemian piece. I just can't get over how decked out this place is. Dude, what is that cat? $89. I don't think that's actually Murano. I'm hesitant about that one. I feel like its feet don't touch the right place, the right way. Yeah, no, that's not. Look at the bottom. Dude, my friend Rachel would love the skirt so much. This is wild. Tell me this mannequin head is for sale. Not for sale. I knew it. They never are. I've only seen like 4 of them ever, and they're never for sale. I saw one that was for sale, and it was super expensive and super beat up. The Brad book. That's one of my favorite art books I have. Well, I decided to do one more little walk through here, and I found this display. Oh man, I can't even talk. $28. These are really hard to come by. They're from store displays, I believe. Sewing. She's kind of amazing as she is, honestly. I have a few that are special edition in better condition. Otherwise, I would totally pick her up. It's hard to find those. And this looks like it's going to be Higgins. It's got to be Higgins. $125 vintage Higgins. There you go. Amazing. Gotta watch my head here. Oh man, crazy lamp. Well, I got some bracelets for myself and epic lucite paperweight for you guys. That was an awesome shop. I got a coupon, so now I have to come back. And now I'm trying to figure out how to get out of Columbus and back to Pennsylvania. I'll see you guys later.